Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Knee pain is a common issue. There are several ways to treat knee pain. In today's video, we will walk you through some of the most effective exercises you can do to strengthen your knee and reduce knee pain in just 1 month. Now before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. So let's get started. Number 1. Half squats. Half squats are excellent way to strengthen your quadriceps, glutes and hamstrings without straining your knees. To do this exercise, get into a standing squat position with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your hips or out in front of you for balance. Looking straight ahead, slowly squat down about 10 inches. This is the halfway point to a full squat. Pause for a few seconds. Then stand up by pushing through your heels. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Now before moving to the next one, there is another thing. For your convenience, we have created a new home workout special channel for keeping you fit. And we need your same love and support in this channel. So following the link in the description, please subscribe to our new channel and hit the notification bell. We promise you will get fit at home if you subscribe to our new channel. So why you are late? Number 2. Hamstring curl. This exercise targets your hamstrings and glutes. It also requires good core strength to keep your upper body and hips steady. To do this, lie flat on your back with both heels on gliders and your arms by your sides. Keeping your core engaged, slide your heels towards your bum, lifting your hips. Your knees should be bent and your body should form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Slowly slide your feet back to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Number 3. Straight leg raise. If your knee is not at its best, start with a simple strengthening exercise for your quadriceps, the muscles in front of the thigh. This move puts little to no strain on the knee. Lay on your back and support your neck with a pillow or neck roll. Bend one knee up so your foot is flat and your back is a neutral position, not arched. Keep your arms lying straight and in line with your shoulders. Straighten the other leg by tightening the muscles on the top of your thigh. Keeping your toes pointed up, lift your leg to the height of the bent knee. Pause, then slowly lower your leg back down to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions of this exercise on each leg. Number 4. Prone leg raises. This exercise works your hamstrings as well as your glutes. Lie on your stomach with your legs straight. Tighten the muscles in your bottom and the hamstring of one leg and lift toward the ceiling. Hold 3 to 5 seconds. Lower and repeat. Do 10 to 15 lifts and switch sides. Number 5. Calf raises. This exercise strengthens the back of your lower legs, which includes your calf muscles. To do this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Position yourself next to a wall or hold on the back of a chair for support. Lift both your heels off the ground so that you are standing on the balls of your feet. Then slowly lower your heels to the starting position. Control is important with this exercise for strengthening your calf muscles. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 6. Leg extensions. The leg extension targets the quadriceps, which are the large muscles of the front of the thigh. Place your hands on the handbars. Lift the weight while exhaling until your legs are almost straight. Do not lock your knees. Keep your back against the backrest and do not arch your back. Exhale and lower the weight back to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these simple exercises from tomorrow? Which exercise out of these do you find most effective? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.